Hi and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I would like to tell you a little bit more about this guy, the holy potato. And by the end of the video, you will know how we buy our potatoes, what are the most important potato side dishes, and what potatoes we use for them. I'm good. Maybe I should do entertainment videos next time. Anyway, if you don't know me yet, my name is Marta from Cooking the Word and I'm a food guide here in Frankfurt. On this channel we help people to find traditional recipes and places to eat traditional food. So before I dive into the dishes, let's just start with the history. So potatoes came actually to Europe in the mid of the 16th century. And soon we obviously fell in love with it and made it to one of our national dishes. Potatoes are very popular side dishes. We've got over 200 different sorts of potatoes. But we divide them into three very important groups: waxy potatoes, medium waxy potatoes, and starchy potatoes. This information you're gonna find usually on the label in the supermarket, as well as origin of the produce. Junior groceries are required to put the information about the state of origin on the label. So starch in the potato is a very important factor that determines the cooking properties of a potato. The more starch in the potato, the more floury the potato is and the more mushy it will get after being cooked. So the first very important category are the waxy potatoes, and those potatoes, they've got low levels of starch and they have a green label. They are perfect for potato salads, fried potatoes, potato gratin and jagged potatoes. The other category are the medium waxy potatoes, and those have got a medium levels of starch and they are labeled red. And they are perfect for jagged potatoes, hard-boiled potatoes, baked potatoes, as well as pan-fried potatoes. And the last category are the floury or starchy potatoes, and those got the most levels of starch in them. And obviously, because they've got so much starch, they are perfect for mashed potatoes, potato dumplings, potato croquettes, also for potato pancakes, and fried grated potatoes, as well as French fries. Also important to mention is that the starchy potatoes are labeled blue. For my potato side dishes, I love using the last category of potatoes, with one exception. If I make a potato salad, then I use the first one. And now let me just tell you a little bit about the potato side dishes here in Germany. So the most basic potato side dish are obviously cooked potatoes in the salty water. Usually they are served with meat, fish and another side dish, and there is no butter on them. So I would say they are also pretty boring and we don't like them as much. I think potato salads are a much more interesting category. In Germany we've got two different kind of potato salads. So the first category are the ones that are made with a mayo dressing, and the other ones that are made with broth, oil and vinegar. In the north of Germany, they prefer using mayo for the dressing, and in the south of Germany, we use the other one. And at this point, if you are interested, you can head over to our blog and check our potato salad recipes. The other pretty basic way to serve potatoes are the mashed potatoes, and usually we add to mashed potatoes butter and milk. This way they get very creamy. We also love frying our potatoes, and the best pan-fried potatoes are made from already cooked jagged potatoes. It is even better when you prepare your jagged potatoes a day ahead because it makes cutting easier the next day. From the jagged potatoes, we also do another very famous dish that is called Ofenkartoffeln mit Quark, so jagged potatoes with Quark cheese. From the potatoes, we also love making potato pancakes. So usually here in Germany, we grate the potatoes pretty fine. But if you have been in Switzerland, for example, you've seen that their potato pancakes are made from the very chunky pieces of potato. We also deep fry our potatoes. For example, you know probably the dish called potato croquettes. So those are mashed potatoes that are actually deep fried. And the last very important potato side dish is obviously the potato dumpling. Potato dumplings are usually served with saucy dishes and are very easy to find in Germany. So those are the most basic potato side dishes that you can find in most of the German restaurants. I would certainly recommend you to try the soybean potato salad, which is my favorite. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. At the day when I'm filming it, we are 740 people that love German cuisine, and I'm very glad that the community is growing. Before you go, let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite potato dish. Other than that, I wish you all a happy week, and I see you in the next one. Bye!